Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I'm back and today I have the Glamnetic liquid magnetic eyeliner, and I also have the lashes that I wanted to try out with you guys. So it seems simple enough. Basically this is the liner, these are the lashes, and they're magnets, they stick, but I kind of want to just try it with you guys and see how it goes. Supposedly it's really easy, but sometimes things aren't always as they appear to be. So starting out, I'm just going to look up the information for these lashes. And so the ones that I bought are the Lush Lash, and these are $29, and you basically just get the lash. You don't get any of the liner with it. So, and the liner by itself is actually $37.99, so it's pretty expensive for liner. So let's just see how it works. This is what the liner looks like. And this one is the black liquid magnetic eyeliner, and it's supposedly smudge proof, waterproof, and life proof. Magnetic liquid eyeliner. This is the lash that I got. So it's really pretty. Let's just see if it sticks. I've already done my makeup. This is gonna be a super quick video. But yeah, everything's already done on my face, so the only thing left are these lashes. I just kind of wanted to try it and see if it really is as easy as they say it is, because sometimes, like, I bought this because Instagram kept flooding my feed with their commercials, and so I guess those things work. But let's just see if it actually does work. So this is the liner, and it just looks like a regular liner. Regular liquid black eyeliner. Nothing really, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's nothing really too special about it, but who knows. And it doesn't really give many instructions on the back of the lashes. It basically just says, step 1, cut magnetic lash down to fit the eye width. Step 2, apply magnetic liner on lash line where lashes will adhere. Step 3, adhere magnetic lashes to magnetic eyeliner. And step 4, to reuse clean magnets by gently scratching off dried magnetic liner. So I'm gonna try it. They seem like they're gonna fit my eye width without actually messing with them. I always get confused. So, and that way I don't have to really cut them. Yeah, they're super lightweight actually, which is nice. If they feel like that on my eye, it's gonna be really nice. Because sometimes, I don't know about you guys, but when I put on fake lashes, they're so heavy and they like weigh down my eyes, and my eyes are already tiny, so I feel like they're even tinier. So this is, by the way, the palette I'm wearing today, and it's the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew. So it's really pretty. I love it. It's a really pretty warm palette. So okay, let's try this. So I don't know how much needs to go on, and I don't know if it needs to dry or just go straight into it, but let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna just let it dry down for a little bit. It doesn't say that, but it doesn't really tell you what to do, so I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit, and then we'll just put these on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can see 6 magnets on the back of these lashes. So hopefully it works out. Let's see. Okay, and here we go. So I'm taking the lash, Wow, that is insanely easy actually. That was extremely easy. Usually with the eyelash glue, I'm having to like put it, let it dry. So this was a big step up. And it made it so easy to put on. It was not difficult at all. If you make a mistake, you kind of just adjust a little bit. And yeah, it looks good. They're not as like in your face as I would like them and dramatic, but they do look really pretty, at least this lash, but I'm sure that they have other lashes. And so yeah, this is really nice. I'm gonna try this one and then we'll do like a final thoughts. Okay, that's done. Let's let it dry. I made like a huge mistake right there with my liner. And I'm just gonna pop this one on. Oh, it's pretty crazy. I just pulled that off with no problems. And so I could reposition it, and that is ridiculously, insanely easy. So I have really nothing but good things to say about this. I don't know. I mean, so these are on. I don't know if you guys can tell. I kind of made a mistake over here. Don't judge my eyelining ability, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I think that these look really good and super happy about it. I'm glad I made this purchase. It was so $29 for this, $38 for the liner. I actually bought 2 pairs of these thinking like hopefully that they would work, and I'm glad I did because they were on sale when I got them. I think they were like 40% off or 30% off. But again, these are the Glamnetic lashes in Lush, and yeah, I definitely recommend these guys. I mean, if anything changes, I'll let you know, but for now, these were the easiest lashes I've ever put on in my life, and I've tried many lashes. These are so easy. Anyone can do these, and you guys really need to try them. I don't know how else to stress it enough. If you love the look of lashes, you're gonna love these. They're super easy and nothing but good things to say. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.